Hello YouTube, this is going to be a quick unboxing for my new purchase. This is Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi routers backup. You can call it UPS. This is mini UPS. So the packaging is not too great. Also, even though I am Prime member, I had to wait a lot. Uh, there was one brand named Fedus. I have purchased the Wi-Fi UPS of that brand, sorry, only because it has 2 years warranty, and most of the reviews I read said that this kind of Wi-Fi router backup UPS lasts only for 1 year. Okay, so I wanted something which will last longer, and even if it doesn't last, I can claim the warranty. So I was about to buy the Resonate one, but it was costly. Still, its warranty was only 1 year. So I brought this. Let me check the brand. Fedus. Fedus UPS for Wi-Fi router. Okay, it has 5 hours battery backup. I don't care about the battery backup because we don't have the power failures often in my area. I stay in Pune, so we don't have any power failures as such, but whenever we have it for small amount of time, like a few minutes, not more than that. So backup was not really required for longer duration, but interruption free backup was required. Okay, Fedus, made in India. Kindly read the warranty card inside the box to activate the warranty of your product. Okay, I will do that. I don't think it's really made in India, but let's see. Because such kind of small products. So this is how the packaging looks. The difference in this is just a packaging. The difference in this backup router, UPS I mean, and the other brands is they provide their dedicated adapter. Even though I'm not sure I will use it or not, but most probably I will use it. If the Let me open the adapter first. If the input voltage is different than what is provided by Geo router, okay, output is 2 amperes, you can read over here, but the adapter provided by Geo fiber is of 2.5 ampere. I don't know if 0.5 ampere will make any difference in life of this backup UPS. Sorry, why I'm saying backup again and again. Okay, so this is seal pack. It's very small in size. Nothing on these both sides, but good thing about it is, okay, they are clearly mentioned the backup is of 2.5 amperes. You can use it for router, CCTV, etc. But this is very important, zero lag switching. I don't want my meetings to go off in middle of the power failure. MRP is 3K, but its retail price is around 1800 rupees. So you get the DC UPS, DC cable, manual. Okay, it says it's strong and sturdy. I'm pretty impressed with the packaging, and I am happy. This is not open box, it's packed piece. They could have skipped the adapter and reduced the price further, but they have provided adapter. It's okay, it's good thing. The adapter does not have any embossed marking on it. Okay, it's okay, sorry, it doesn't have any embossed marking on it, but it just has the sticker. So this is a generic adapter, okay, readily available anywhere. It has serial number on it. Let me see if serial number matches with the serial number on this box. Okay, so this is how it looks. Blink LED, green, yellow, charging. Okay, stable LED, fully charged. Yellow means in load. Battery empty or died, that means stable. Okay, I'll show it to you clearly. Sorry, I thought the camera angle is right. So if the LED is blinking, it means it's charging. Okay, if stable LED, look at the spelling of stable, guys. What is this? Really? Stable? Okay. Yellow LED in load, stable red LED. That means battery is empty or died. Red LED blink, that means adapter or device issue for installation contact. Okay, there is a warranty card. Okay, I'll have to share the invoice with them and then warranty will be valid. So this is real UPS. This is how it looks, and it also has something else. Okay, it has the cable inside. Oh, come on. You guys staple it. Oh, there are 3 cables. Nice. 1, 2, and 3. 3 type of cables. This is male to female. This one is of same size, and this one is one end is smaller than another one. Sorry. So all 3 ends from these sides are same, but the 3 ends on the other side are different. So they have provided this. I'm really impressed. And this is the main product. So it should fit directly behind my router. These are all specs. 2.5 ampere, and exactly same is the wattage required for my Geo router. I will switch it on. No light. Maybe the battery is not charged. Here are the input and output, in and out. Okay, let me plug in the charger right away. But it should have switched on right away. I don't know why. So there is LED indication in this adapter as well. Now let me plug in into the power bank. This is the in port. Okay, now it's showing the okay red and green. And what does red and green means? Blink LED. They have written green and yellow, that means charging. Okay, there is if you read over here, green and yellow, that means charging, but it's blinking red and green, and there is no indication what does red and green mean. Weird, isn't it? Now, looking at all the flaws in spelling mistake and its behavior, I really feel it's now made in India. Okay, if it's made in India, even better. It will last a little longer. So this is how the product looks. overall. Now I'm supposed to plug in. Okay, it doesn't go all the way in. I don't know if it is supposed to be like this or okay, it's a little outside and I am not happy with this. It should go completely inside now, and the out will go to this port. Okay, this was all regarding my new purchase. This is how the packaging looks like. You will receive the adapter, the real power bank or UPS, 3 connections which I showed before. So this was all regarding this Fedus power backup mini UPS for Wi-Fi router. I hope it will last for 2 years. I don't have to claim warranty, and even if I have to claim warranty, this is gonna be very tedious task because I won't get any doorstep service, or even I don't think there will be service in Pune. I will have to ship it, and it's not worth the efforts. But only I took the bet because they have written clearly 2 years warranty, so it will last for 2 years at least, bare minimum. And if it dies after 2 years, I don't care. I will buy a new one, and that it will recover my money because I was planning to buy Resonate one, which is the good brand, and its cost was 3000 rupees, and I have got it around 1800 rupees, and 3000 plus the battery replacement cost of Resonate mini UPS was 1500, something around 1500 rupees. Okay, so it doesn't make sense anyway. That had 1 year warranty, and after 1 year I would have to reinvest 1500 rupees again, so it did not make any sense. This one should last for 2 years hopefully, and it's really value for money if you see, consider all these additional connectors and this adapter plus 2 years warranty plus real 3300 batteries. You can see over here 2200 into 3, that is 6600 mAh. So other brands are providing very less battery. Only Resonate has better battery than this one. Resonate has 10,400 mAh battery, which is higher than this because it's bulky, not bulky, it's built to last. Okay, but as I said before, battery was not my concern. I don't want the long backup. I want this zero switching lag. Okay, it should not turn off my Wi-Fi router because whenever I'm in calls, it's really irritating if the Wi-Fi router goes off. And I have not brought for my this home. I have brought this for my second home where I don't have the inverter supply. That's why this is a temporary jugaad kind of thing I'm doing right now or there. In this my current home, I have two full size inverters for 2 floors, so that is not an issue. Anyway, any day I will recommend you to get a proper inverter setup in your home instead of this, because this is just a temporary thing. Your inverter will last for 6-7 years, and then you will have to replace the battery and you are good to go for another 6-7 years. So this was all regarding my mini UPS. If you have any questions, drop your comments below. Thanks for watching. Live loud.